front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this plus at the bottom left corner. Tap on Files, and to pick an audio one, select Audio at the top. Look for it in one of those apps or by tapping on those three lines at the top left corner in one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, hold your file and tap Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead. Look for your video and click on it to attach it. You can also select folders, look for it here and click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!